Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. My Love From Lizi February 2021 card kit is finally here. It's a little later than normal since Lizi had a delay on one of the items, but everything is in stock and she's already shipping out kits. I will have a link provided in the description box if you are interested in purchasing this kit or subscribing. And as I'm doing this voiceover, the kit is still available. Let's go ahead and jump right into everything that's included. There are 5 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. So we have a white, a black, a gray, nice bright green, and a really vibrant orange. The theme of the kit is So Lucky. And look at this beautiful paper pad that's included. There are 22 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper. These are all single-sided. And they are a really nice heavyweight paper. So I'm just going to flip through the papers quickly so you can have an idea of everything that's included. So there's lots of fun patterns. There's a few that have the border with some 4-leaf clovers. There's another fun one with border. There's coffee cups, there's bows. Now we're going to move into some beautiful plaids. So this does have a bit of a St. Patrick's Day feel, but it doesn't have to be St. Patrick's Day. You could use all of these papers for any card theme. These final papers look like glitter, but they're smooth, so there isn't any messy glitter. I think these are really fun. Some of them have some mixed colors with the orange, gold, and greens. So there's all the pattern papers that are included. Here is the stamp set, lots of great sentiments and images. The main sentiment on the stamp set is So Lucky, and then there's lots of small sentiments and words that you can combine together. So you could have I'm so lucky to know you, sometimes I wonder how we got so lucky. So there's lots of different ways you can mix and match those sentiments. And the peel-offs this month are a brand new color. This is the pinstripe style. It's copper mirror and it has a gold trim along the edges. It's hard to see the gold finish on the video, but they are super shiny. Up next is the Ephemera Pack, and there's a ton of ephemera in here. So I'm just going to pull this out and go through them really quickly. There are lots of 4-leaf clovers. Some of them are in orange, they're not all green. There's several of the 2 girls together, and they're holding their hands to form a heart, so that's super sweet. There's some little tennis shoes. There's a few wreaths where you can pop out the center. This one looks just like the stamp set. So it gives you an idea if you want to color that. Some more 4-leaf clovers. Here's some hearts. There's bows. There's little coffee cups. There are lots of different floral pieces in the orange and yellows. There's some more bows, some more of the girls. And all of these coordinate perfectly with the pattern papers. So there is the last of the ephemera. Up next we have coordinating dies for all of the stamped images, and there's also the sentiment So Lucky that has the outline. So you could stamp out the word So Lucky and then use the coordinating dies to cut out the area around it, or you could use the word die So Lucky, do it out of maybe a specialty paper, and then also cut out that outline die. And then there's a die for each of the images, including those teeny tiny images. There's the little coffee cup, a bow, and the 4-leaf clover. And then up next we have the ribbon. There are 5 different colors. You'll receive 1 meter of each color. And then there's also the coordinating glitter enamel dots. And these are always one of my favorites. They're super sparkly and the colors match beautifully with the whole collection. There's a roll of washi tape this month. It's 5 meters long. It has a houndstooth pattern in the background and lots of little blooms. So again, it matches with all of the paper collection and the ephemera. There's also a pack of wooden 4-leaf clovers. So there's 3 different sizes. On one side it does have the little imprint, so a little outline of the design, and then the back side is blank. And these are always fun to decorate. You could paint them, you could use ink. I like to do heat embossing on them. There's lots of possibilities. And last but not least is the sample size bag of the coordinating sequins. So if you love sequins, you can always purchase the full size bag as an add-on. So that is everything that's included in the Love From Lizi February 2021 card kit. I did receive a few of the add-ons. There are 2 peel-off bundles you can purchase. One is the pinstripe bundle and the other is the variety bundle. And these are always nice because the colors match with the kit. So the one on the left is the pinstripe. We have gold glitter, green glitter, gold holographic, and green holographic. So lots of sparkle in this bundle. The bundle on the right is the variety bundle. So there's gold moon dust in the mini hearts. There's apricot in the sway design. There's jade glitter in the straight. And then the last is rose gold mirror in the pinstripe. You can never have too many peel-offs, so the bundle packs are always a really good value. The final add-on that I received is the Pearlescent Cardstock. There are 6 sheets. You can see this beautiful shimmery finish on those. So there's a white, a gold, brown, black, green, and also a soft orange. And these are one-sided, so the back is white and it doesn't have that pearlescent finish. I love Lizi's specialty cardstock bundles. They add some nice shimmer and shine to your cards. Now here's another look at the Love From Lizi February 2021 card kit. As I'm recording this voiceover, the kit is still available, but the kits sell out every single month. So if you are interested in purchasing the kit, I would suggest not waiting. I do have links provided in the description box for the kit and also the add-ons I showed in this video. And coming soon, I will be sharing my 10 cards using this fun kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.